here's how to make this delicious succulent curry lamb. I start here with around 500 grams of lamb that I've cleaned, and I then start to season it with some salt, all-purpose, paprika, black pepper, green seasoning, and of course curry powder. I add a little bit of oil, and that just helps me to get all the seasonings massaged evenly into the lamb. Then I start to chop up my ingredients. So here I've got half of a brown onion, which I'm just going to slice. I've got about 3 garlic cloves. I'm going to smash this and I'm going to dice them up. I'm going to add that to my lamb along with a handful of thyme sprigs and then mix it all together. Take that away and let it marinate for a few hours if possible, or just half an hour, or get to cooking straight away. Then I'm going to add some coconut oil to my pot, heat it up for a bit along with some garlic cloves and some curry powder. So this is called burning the curry powder. Then I'm going to brown my lamb on a high temperature on both sides. I re-add in the vegetables that I prepared, chuck on top a Scotch bonnet and add some water until the lamb is just about covered, and then you want to cover it and allow it to cook on a medium temperature for about 1 hour. After an hour, we're starting to get to the softness that we want to get to. In order to thicken the gravy, I also add about half of a chopped potato and let's say about 1 carrot also chopped, and then I allow this to cook again on a medium temperature for about 20 minutes. This lamb was so tender that it literally melted in my mouth. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.